Hi there, and welcome to Tech with Shaping Pixel. In this video, we are diving into part 10 of the Google Associate Data Practitioner full crash course, where we will explore Introduction to Google Cloud DataFlow. Data is the foundation of every modern business. From marketing trends to customer insights and operational performance, companies rely on data to make informed decisions. But with data scattered across different formats and locations, using it effectively can be a real challenge. A data pipeline is an automated workflow designed to move and reformat your data. It copies data from one place, transforms it, and writes the results to another, making your information usable and accessible. Every data pipeline has three main phases. First, it reads data from a source, like a database or cloud storage, and stores it in a special container called a P collection. Next, it transforms the data, cleaning, reformatting, or enhancing it. Since P collections are immutable, each transformation creates a new version. Finally, the pipeline writes the transformed data to a destination, such as a data warehouse or cloud storage. Data pipelines break down silos and automate repetitive tasks like extraction, cleaning, and formatting. This ensures your data is always clean, consistent, and ready for analysis. No more manual exports or endless reformatting. Building and managing data pipelines can be complex and time-consuming. Google Cloud DataFlow is designed to make this process much easier by offering a fully managed, serverless service for executing data pipelines on Google Cloud Platform. With DataFlow, you do not need to manually provision or scale compute resources. The service automatically allocates and scales resources as your workload grows, even during sudden spikes in data volume. DataFlow also takes care of job scheduling, fault tolerance, and monitoring, so you can focus on developing your pipeline logic instead of maintenance. Built-in visualization tools help you quickly identify errors and optimize performance. DataFlow supports both batch and streaming data pipelines using a unified programming model. Batch pipelines process large, finite datasets at scheduled intervals, while streaming pipelines handle unlimited, real-time data, such as live sensor feeds or social media streams. Concepts like windows and triggers help manage and process streaming data efficiently. To build pipelines, you use Apache Beam, an open-source framework supporting Python, Java, and Go. Beam defines your pipeline logic, while DataFlow executes it using distributed processing behind the scenes. For scalable, cost-effective, and simplified data pipelines, Google Cloud DataFlow is a powerful solution. Every day, companies generate massive amounts of data, measured in petabytes and even exabytes. Managing this flood of information is a challenge, but it also opens up incredible opportunities for innovation and insight. Apache Hadoop, inspired by Google's file system and MapReduce model, was developed in 2006. Hadoop is an open-source framework that enables distributed storage and processing of huge datasets. It works by creating a cluster, which is a group of computers, or nodes, working together as a unified system. Hadoop's core modules include the Hadoop Distributed File System, or HDFS, which breaks files into blocks and spreads them across nodes, and MapReduce, a programming model that processes data in parallel. Yet another resource navigator, or YARN, manages resources and job scheduling, while Hadoop Common provides essential shared libraries. Hadoop clusters are scalable. You can add or remove servers as your data grows. They are also fault-tolerant, storing multiple copies of data across nodes, so failures do not mean data loss or downtime. Hadoop powers data warehousing, log analysis, data mining, machine learning, and financial analysis for many organizations. Despite newer technologies, Hadoop remains a trusted, proven solution for big data challenges worldwide. Hadoop changed the game for big data by making it possible to store and process massive datasets that were previously too large to handle. It quickly became the foundation of the big data ecosystem, with many tools built around it. However, Hadoop's MapReduce model relies heavily on reading and writing files to disk, making it slow for many tasks. This led to the development of Apache Spark, a faster and more versatile open-source analytics engine designed for large-scale data processing on clusters. Spark stands out because it performs computations in memory, making certain tasks up to 100 times faster than Hadoop. Its high-level APIs and interactive shells also make Spark easier to learn and use, especially for data scientists and analysts. Spark Core handles storage, scheduling, and memory management. Spark SQL lets you use SQL queries on structured data. Spark Streaming processes real-time data in microbatches. MLlib provides machine learning tools, and GraphX enables graph processing and analysis. Hadoop is best for offline batch processing, while Spark excels at real-time analytics, interactive queries, and fast machine learning. You can even combine both, storing data on Hadoop's file system and running queries with Spark for maximum flexibility. Google Cloud Platform offers a range of big data solutions, whether you're building from scratch or migrating existing workloads. But how do you choose the right tool for your needs? Manually setting up Hadoop or Spark clusters on virtual machines can be complex and costly. You need to provision servers, configure networks, install software, and handle ongoing maintenance. Plus, you often pay for resources even when they are idle, making clusters inflexible and expensive. That is where Google Cloud DataPro comes in. DataPro is a managed service for running Hadoop and Spark jobs on Google Cloud Platform. It eliminates the hassle of manual setup, letting you spin up clusters in minutes and scale them easily as your needs change. With DataPro, you only pay for what you use, with no upfront costs or over-provisioning. It is fully integrated with other Google Cloud services like Cloud Storage, BigQuery, and Vertex AI, making data import, storage, and machine learning seamless. DataPro offers auto-scaling, workflow templates for reusable pipelines, and even DataPro Serverless, which runs Spark jobs without managing clusters. Focus on your data, not your infrastructure, with Google Cloud DataPro. Thank you, and see you in the next part. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out our website for the latest real exam question and answers PDFs. Happy learning!